Alright, so we're going to make Traeger smoked wings. We're going to use the Honey Bacon BBQ by Meat Church, and it's simply one of my favorite rubs for this. We're also going to finish it with Japanese BBQ Sauce. I found that hot and spicy, and this really seems to be, it's good. We'll just put it that way. So, first thing we got to do is to go ahead and cut our wings. We buy them full, and it's really easy. You get a good knife, you're going to discard this, and you're going to cut right down here. So you simply take it, cut that, look at the wing, come down right there, and there's that. And that's as hard as it is to do wings. We'll do the one of these again right here, and fold down right there, and there we go. Okay, once we got all the chicken cut up, and we're going to go ahead and put some of the cornstarch on, that's going to help the chicken to become a little crispier. Typically on the Traeger or an egg, they tend to come out a little wet, and I don't have a measurement. I just put basically about a tablespoonish, sprinkle it on first, and then I'm going to rub it in all over the place. Let's see one I didn't get. Good one. That should be good. Now I'm just gonna put my winglets up and start skin side up. When I grill these, I always grill them skin side down first. So let's just make this a little bit easier. I know what's what. Okay, we got these pretty well done. Now it's time for the Honey Bacon BBQ, once again by Meat Church. If you've never watched any of the videos, I would highly recommend checking out Matt Pittman's channel. And he's got some really good recipes out there. Flip. So we're going to take the Traeger, we're going to turn it up to 375, and then when we hit temp, we'll cook it for about 15 minutes, and then we're going to flip the chicken. We're going to go for about 15 more minutes. Then we're going to put the chicken in a bowl and mix in the Japanese BBQ. And then we'll hit it for another 5 minutes. At which point they'll come off, and they're pretty amazing. Now we're just going to let this sweat out while we go light the Traeger. And we'll be back once we start cooking. Okay, the Traeger is finally up to speed. What I didn't say earlier is we're gonna use cherry. I really like lumberjack pellets. I think they're better than Traeger, less filler. So this is my preference when I'm doing the wings. Earlier I'd mentioned using the cornstarch to help dry out the wings. Something a lot of folks do that's probably preferable is to set them inside the refrigerator for a couple hours, and that'll also help dry it out. My fridge isn't big enough to do that, so I don't. Anyway, time for the wings to go on. Again, 375 for 15 minutes, and then we'll flip. I always put new foil on the Traeger between every cook. never have a chance of a flare up, and I clean it out at least every other cook. Yep, good. It's inside down. And for wings, pork bellies, stuff of that nature, the Traeger's been phenomenal. For all my steaks and briskets, I use the big green egg. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. We've washed the tongs, flip. Okay. Let those go for another 15. Okay, it's been another 15. We're gonna tip it, just make sure it's above 165. I got 189. I'm definitely there. Those actually look really, really good. Yeah, those look great. So we're gonna take half of them, put them in a bowl, and we're gonna sauce them up with Japanese barbecue. And the others will leave a little naked so people can enjoy both ways. Yeah, we'll leave that. We got 6 one way and everything the other way. Actually, I like the Japanese barbecue, so we're doing that. Put those back on for 5 minutes. Okay, for finishing sauces, while we're waiting for the last 5 minutes, I like to take some of the Japanese and just set it up so people can dip. And at the same time, I love the Marie's chunky blue cheese. So that goes in one as well, in case people like blue cheese on their wings. And with that, as soon as they're off, we're good. It is time. They look amazing. I'm not going to do a bite test. They're way too hot. But I don't think one needs a bite test to know that it's going to taste really good. Done. So thanks for sticking with us today as we walk through the wings. We'll try to do some more recipes. A lot of people have enjoyed this and that, and have asked me a couple times to do a couple things. Forgive the video, cheap hardware, stuff of that nature. But anyway, we just want to try to get this out, let you guys see what we've done, and hopefully you enjoy it. Take care.